Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best engine flush additive available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: Triax Engine Flush Additive. This engine flush stands out as a premium maintenance solution for restoring performance in both gasoline and diesel engines. Its advanced synthetic, oil-based formula effectively dissolves sludge, varnish, and lubricant-related deposits while maintaining a protective lubrication film throughout the cleaning process, reducing the risk of damage during flushing. The inclusion of ZDDP anti-wear technology provides exceptional protection against metal-to-metal contact, making it especially valuable for turbocharged engines where wear and coking can become costly issues. By improving oil circulation, freeing stuck piston rings, and enhancing valve seating, it helps restore lost power, compression, and overall engine responsiveness. High-quality polar esters and PIB6-cinnamide work together to penetrate stubborn deposits and keep contaminants suspended until drained away, while anti-foam additives ensure smooth operation in modern engine systems. Easy to use with regular oil changes, it offers a practical and highly effective way to extend engine life and maintain peak performance. Next up, we have Modal Engine Flush Additive. Modal Engine Clean is an excellent preventative maintenance treatment, especially for high-mileage vehicles that have accumulated sludge and internal deposits over time. Its detergent-based formula works effectively to dissolve oil sludge, varnish, carbon buildup, and combustion residues that can restrict oil flow and reduce engine efficiency. By cleaning critical components such as piston rings, hydraulic lifters, and turbo oil passages, it helps restore smoother engine operation, improve compression consistency, and reduce internal friction. Users may notice enhanced throttle response, quieter operation, and better fuel economy after use. Another major advantage is its ability to disperse carbon and fuel contaminants that contribute to higher emissions, making it beneficial before emissions testing or routine inspections. The treatment integrates easily into regular maintenance schedules without requiring changes to driving habits, offering a simple yet effective way to maintain engine cleanliness, stabilize operating temperatures, and support long-term engine durability and performance. Coming in at number 3: Motor Power Care Engine Flush Additive. This engine oil system treatment delivers impressive results for drivers looking to restore performance and extend engine life. Its advanced nanotechnology formula works deep within the engine to remove harmful sludge, varnish, and carbon residues from piston rings, upper cylinder areas, and other critical internal surfaces. By cleaning these deposits, it helps restore lost compression, improve combustion efficiency, and promote smoother overall engine operation. One of its standout benefits is the reduction of lifter noise, allowing the engine to run noticeably quieter and more refined. The treatment also creates a protective layer that minimizes friction and wear between moving components, helping reduce long-term engine stress. In addition, its anti-corrosion properties protect internal parts from rust and oxidation, supporting durability in demanding conditions. Now at number 4: Zato Engine Flush Additive. Zato Engine Flush is a highly effective maintenance product designed to restore engine cleanliness and optimize overall performance. Its deep cleaning formula targets accumulated sludge, varnish, carbon deposits, and other contaminants within the oil system, helping improve oil circulation and engine efficiency. Suitable for virtually all engine types, including modern turbocharged and supercharged applications, it offers versatile compatibility without compromising engine components. A key advantage is the inclusion of Zato's revitalizant technology, which helps form a protective layer on friction surfaces, supporting long-term engine durability and reducing wear after the cleaning process. Users may notice smoother operation, improved responsiveness, and quieter engine performance following treatment. The application process is straightforward: simply add it to the existing engine oil before an oil change, making preventive maintenance easy and convenient. And finally, our last pick: Leaky Moly Engine Flush Additive. This engine oil additive delivers impressive versatility and reliability, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced engine protection under demanding conditions. Its compatibility with all commercially available motor oils allows for seamless integration into existing maintenance routines without concerns about adverse reactions or performance issues. The formula remains exceptionally stable under high thermal stress and continuous dynamic loads, ensuring consistent lubrication and protection even during heavy towing, high-speed driving, or extreme operating conditions. One of its standout advantages is its clean-running formulation, which prevents harmful deposit formation and remains fully compatible with commonly used oil filter systems, helping maintain efficient oil flow and engine cleanliness. Additionally, its ability to withstand both extremely high and low temperatures ensures dependable performance year-round, from freezing winter starts to intense summer heat. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.